प्यारी मीरा, मुझे ये देख के बहुत खुशी हो रही है. I've just passed my exams with first class. I'm very grateful for the money you raised through the Mumbai Marathon. Without this money, someone like me could have never gone to school. Many people talk a lot about wanting to change the world. You actually changed mine.
Sonali Didi, thank you for your words. But remember that it is your hard work and your talent that has made you pass with flying colors. Please do keep.
The feeling of freedom, of air washing over my face, of the world rushing by it, made me feel great. Then I had an accident that left me with a terrible neck injury. I had weakness of the hands, poor control of my body, severe tightness in both legs, and it left me fully dependent on others for all my needs. I had lost my mother many years before the accident, and my aging father was hardly able to help. Amar Seva Sangam truly saved my life. After intensive medical and nursing interventions, physiotherapy and training, I am now largely independent. I can manage my daily activities, walk with calipers, clear my bladder bowels with intermittent clean catheterization and digital evacuation. After giving me my physical independence back, Amar Seva Sangam gave me the best kind of freedom and empowerment. They trained me in the fields of home appliances and cell phone servicing. I now run my own cell phone servicing center in Tirunelveli. And the best part, I'm back on my bike again.
Lots of money all by myself.
My dearest Meera, I'm so happy to hear your good news. I read a story the other day which reminded me of you. A wise woman was once traveling in the mountains and she found a precious stone in a stream. A few days later, she met another traveler who was very hungry. So she opened her bag of food to share with him. But the traveler saw the precious stone and asked the woman to give it to him. She did so without any hesitation. The traveler left rejoicing in his good fortune. He was sure the stone was worth enough to provide him security for a lifetime. But a few days later, the traveler came back and he wanted to return the stone to the woman. I've been thinking, he said. I know how valuable the stone is, but I give it back to you in the hope that you will give me something even more precious. Give me that which is within you that enabled you to give me the stone.
Sonali Didi, I was very lucky to have learnt a lifelong lesson at the age of 5 from my Guruji. One day, when he asked me to give some chocolates to some underprivileged children, he asked me to say thank you to them. I was confused and even a little upset. I thought that the recipients of my gifts should be saying thank you to me. But my Guruji told me that I was wrong. He said that I should be thankful for the opportunity and the privilege that I had that allowed me to give, to be of service to others.
I hope everybody would understand this truth and act on it. Because then, as you have changed my life, so many others would also be transformed. By the way, I have some good news. I've got admission in medical school in Karnataka and I'll be leaving Dharampur soon. I'm a little bit scared, but my heart is also filled with gratitude. Please come and visit me sometime and I'll show you around my new world.
I south of Tamil Nadu. Many have asked him, why do you make this journey every year to Mumbai, in spite of the various challenges that you face? And he said that disability cannot confine us. Disability cannot confine the ability that each one has to reach out and help the less fortunate.
Well done, Mr. Srinivasan. Ramani and her husband, Shankaraman Srinivasan, who received this award earlier, are the highest fundraising couple and have together raised rupees 44,82,013 rupees for Amar Seva Sangh. They have shown